Remove the blower tube assembly and rotate the wing nut to remove the front handle. Use a T20 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the base. Use a T10 and a T20 bit to remove the 14 screws securing the housing. Remove the fan baffle. Unplug the 2 connectors to remove the LCD electric assembly. Replace with a new LCD electric assembly and route all the wires in the slot. Route and secure all the wires and components in the pockets and traps. Install the fan baffle and rubber gasket. Tighten the housing with the 14 screws. Tighten the base with the 4 screws. Install the front handle. Install the blower tube assembly.